Alright, how's it going, guys? This is Paelodopeninja, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Chinese New Year Superstar 2018. So we're gonna open up the box real quick. It comes with this sort of like postcard, that on the back, that on the front. How the box looks. Chinese characters over here, standard white, red stripes. So you can pull it open like this. See some more Chinese inspired design there. Without further ado, here we have the 2018 Chinese New Year Superstars. Off-white and red. So I want to talk about this full grain leather upper. It is really satisfying to touch, very soft, and it is thick, but it's not heavy. It's thick and sturdy, but don't worry because it doesn't feel bulky or heavy at all on your foot. And of course, we have to talk about the fit. So if you're trying to get this, you can go true to size, but I have to ask you guys to consider going half a size down because it does fit rather long. That means it's long, but this is the tricky part. It actually narrows down towards the middle. So it kind of hugs your foot in the middle. That's why if you're a wide footer, definitely try them on in store first so you can get the best fit possible. It is a triple white shoe, so you are gonna get that triple white aesthetic. Red and white is sort of a classic sneaker combo, but I really love how they did it here. Now the red hits are over here on the tongue and on the side and in the back as well. But the best part, in my opinion, is the one on the side now. From this angle, it doesn't really pop out that much, but if you look at it from diagonal, I guess, you can see the reds actually here on those little spikes over there. So that's when it really pops out. The thing with triple white shoes, in my opinion, is they're sort of very easy to wear. They look nice with almost anything, but they don't really bounce off or complement other colors well or enhance other colors well. So that slight subtle hit of red allows for some very interesting creative combinations with, say, a navy blue top maybe, or light gray or dark gray, or even with your jeans. So again, it's a very nice touch, the red on the white, and it's subtle. It doesn't jump out at you. The red, it's not really obnoxious. It's just very classy. It's a very classy and smart implementation, very well placed, not too over the top, and then it's placed there in such a way which still allows it to be considered a triple white sneaker, which a lot of us love. And y'all know how good a triple white can make an outfit look. I want to talk about real quick the symbol at the back. So this is, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's S-H-O-U, show or shoe. It might actually be shoe. Nice touch, Adidas, very clever. Anyway, so we'll just call it show for now. Now this, it might not seem like anything special. It is the symbol for longevity, but if you look closer, it's actually very well made. There's a lot of thread that they used with this symbol right here. And again, it means longevity. So if you're a little bit superstitious, I guess you can feel good with owning something. Maybe you'll get blessed with longevity and riches and all that. Alright, so that wraps up today's sneaker video. Once again, this is the Chinese New Year 2018 Superstar from Adidas. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more sneaker, music, and dance content. Great value on this one, $110 for this quality of leather. Trust me, it's a dope shoe. Looks dope, feels dope, everything's good. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This is Paelodopeninja. See you guys next time.